Mic check, mic check. Welcome to the channel. It's your boy Trini. Listen, this is not a sneaker channel. However, first of all, shout out to my cousin Game Time Kicks. He has inspired me to buy more sneakers. And more or less, since I moved back to the United States, I've been nothing but an uber ultimate consumer. I just keep buying things. I don't know if it's because of the lost time of not being able to get what I want when I was living in the Southeast Asia, but listen, it is what it is. Anyway, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm gonna do my first unboxing. Again, this is not a sneaker channel, and you should put your money in things like stocks, things that make you money. This is butter, you know, there's two types of people in the world. I know I'm misquoting Baby Boy, but there's a people with the butter and a people with the gun.
That's what it's all about. Guns and butter, baby.
All right, if you don't know what the butter and the guns are, you know, chat GPT that or, you know, watch that movie again. Anyway, this is a box of Fear of Gods. I don't know which one. I literally bought four of them. I didn't want to wait until I did the video. I just want to give my brief review of it. So more or less is an unboxing, okay? My first unboxing. So, you know, give me a little space. So this is the Athletics 1 basketball. This is the cream on black. So I didn't know these sneakers came out last year. I had no idea. So it's a box within a box, and there's also some other stuff that's around that. I think I teared it off. And then I'm gonna open it and show you guys. This part comes off like this. And now, the sneakers are still wrapped up in this kind of Ziploc aluminum bag. Again, these came out last year. I found out about them about a week ago. And, you know, they're kind of affordable on StockX and I think Shoebox and places like that, which ain't cutting me no check. So make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button because I'm hooking y'all, putting y'all up on game. So this, I liked them, I really wanted them. And I got them below retail. I think I'll post the retail price here, but I think I got this under retail for sure. Because we don't buy things, on this channel, we don't buy things for full price. Check this out. I hope it's gonna zoom in. I think they're sexy. I don't know if it's gonna come across white, but it's more like an off-white cream. I love the bottoms. I don't know if you can see the detail. I love the bottoms. They look clear. That's the Adidas logo here. It smells good. It has like this laces with the, you could tighten it and squeeze it like this. You don't have to lace them up. You can spread this out. Kind of something you have like in a knapsack, right? You can zip this up and zip this down. I went half size up, so this is a 12 and a half. I'm usually a 12. I love this. It's very simple, but to me, it just looks expensive. Right, so this is Fear of God with Adidas on it. And I like this one a little bit in the other ones where I'll show you. I don't see an Adidas logo on this one at all. I think the 3 stripes on the side kind of give it away. I think they're comfortable. I don't know if they're all called basketball athletics. I don't play basketball, so I'm not, well, I can, but I'm not good at it. But I'm not gonna really use this as a basketball shoe. This is strictly for fashion only. And again, guys, you should probably spend your money on something but better than this. But I admit, I'm an ultimate consumer these days, but these Fear of Gods are, in my personal opinion, very good, very unique. I don't see much people wearing them. I know some people say that they're not really that, you know, hype beast or the sneakers to get. At this age, I think it's best, and actually for anyone, even if you're younger, it's best to get what you like. And who cares if everybody else like? You're wearing this, right? Get something that you want to wear. Hopefully I don't do what I do with most of my sneakers. I wear it for like a month and then put it in my storage unit. So don't be like me. Be better, right? But I like these Fear of Gods. I think they're amazing. What else is in the box? Just the wrapper. The other side is in here. It's just as clean. The box. This is what you get. They're kind of hard to find, I think now, but for something that's been out for a year, you could still get them and not pay crazy prices. I think it goes by the sizes also. So like, for some reason, my size is always in demand, size 12 and a half. And I would say definitely go a half size up. I really went a half size up because I couldn't find the size I want at an appropriate price. I guess, like I said, you don't buy things for full price here. Going a half size up, it still felt just as good. It still felt just as snug. Again, get what you like. I just happen to like this. I think it's amazing. And I showed you guys it. Now I can wear it and get it dirty. And actually I have another pair. Let me reach over and get it. Again, spend your money on better things than sneakers. Or spend money on things that you like. That's probably a better thing to say. Again, random ad for StockX. Listen, we don't buy things full price. This is Athletics Basketball 2. This is actually the one that's after that one. A little bit less box packaging, or maybe there's another box but I didn't get it. And not as nice with the packaging, but woo, is the shoe sweet in my opinion. Look at this. These are my favorite sneakers. I don't like this big ugly Adidas thing here, but it is what it is. It still says Fear of God. I like the bottom sole. I like that line. Just people, not much people gonna see, but I just, you can see the detail. I just like it. I think it's crazy. Crazy in a good way. These are a little bit more expensive, I think, resale wise. I just love the design of it. I love how it feels. And I think this one I actually got, where's the size? This one I got 12. So I didn't size up for this one and it feels good. I think this is more of a true to size. The other one, you need to size up. This is the Athletics 2. I like this one a lot. It doesn't come as fancy as the other one, or maybe it did, and because I got it from StockX, I'm missing all the fancy stuff. These are supposed to be basketball shoes, but I am not gonna play basketball in these. I think they're too fly to be playing basketball. It looks luxurious. I just like the luxurious look. I don't like wearing sneakers that other people have. I wanna go somewhere and be the only person wearing this particular sneakers, and people give you compliments, even though you're not seeking outside validation, but it does feel good when someone says, yo, where'd you get those sneakers from? I never seen that before. It's a good feeling. But regardless of people recognize them or not, I'm still gonna rock them. It's black, but it's more like a dark brown, to keep it real with you. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but I'm gonna wear it like it's black, or if you could wear it like it's dark brown, I don't care. I love the simplicity of it and just the sole being so stylish. Anyway, I think this might be one of many videos, because apparently all I do is buy sneakers. So on the other box, these things right here, they're tactile. I could actually feel them. On this one, looks like they went cheaper with the box. It's just like, I mean, it's printed on it, but you can't feel it. It's no I could actually do that, and this one, you can't. So I thought that was pretty cool. The box sizes, the old ones are slightly bigger, even though the new sneakers, the Athletics 2 is actually the bigger of the ones. Maybe I should do a quick, I should open it real quick to show you guys the difference. This is not a sneaker channel, but my best videos are the ones I do with sneakers. So listen, if this is where my YouTube fame is gonna take me, then I need you guys to hit the like button for this video. Let me know to make more sneaker videos. Shout out to my cousin Game Time Kicks. These how they look back to back, I guess. And I did size up, so this one's slightly bigger, but I believe it's both. This one is more narrow flat. They're both kind of narrow, but this one to me, there's less toe room, even though this one is short, this one has more toe room. But I guess I could have sized up on this one too and probably wouldn't have made a difference, honestly. It's never too bad to do a half size up so your toes can wiggle. And like I said, I bought more, so there are more that I'm gonna have. I think you can't go wrong. So far, I haven't seen any knockoffs, so if you see someone with these, they're not replicas. This is a legit thing. And I think the quality will make it hard for people to replicate at a decent price. They do replicate everything. But anyway, thanks for watching. This is your boy Trini signing off. Hit that like button and subscribe button. Until next one.